Hey everybody and welcome back. If you'd like to stop the applications from running in the background and you're looking out how to do so, today we are going to guide you through the process. So let's get started. First method we can do is if you're using any kind of application, you can close it up completely. So you can manually do it. You can swipe up from the bottom of your screen and hold to see your recent application. You can swipe on each of the individual application to close them or tap on the clear all to close all of them at once. If that's not the issue, you can force stop an application. So for that, if you're using a certain application, for example, if you're using Instagram, you can hold and go to the info of the Insta. And once you go to the info, you can look out for the force stop option in the bottom right corner and select it and then tap on OK. And that will immediately stop the application, but it may restart automatically if it's set to launch on startup. Also, you can restrict the background activity. So go to settings for that. And once you go to your settings, you can scroll down, look out for the apps option, and tap on app battery uses or battery from here, or go to the battery and device here and tap on it. And then look out for the battery option. And there you can look out for the option to turn off for the app uses. Tap on view details, and then you can turn it off within here as well. This is one of the way possible. And you can also go ahead and within the application, so go to apps. And from here, look out for the three dot in the top right and select it. And select the option for special access. And then you can just go over, turn on this option for allowed to use data while data saver is on. You can tap on it. And you can turn off that option for the unnecessary applications that may be running in the background on your Android. And that's it. These are some of the solutions you can follow up to stop the applications running in the background. If not that, you can just go over and do a simple restart and close all the applications and refresh your phone's memory. And that's it. So therefore, everybody, you may follow up these steps for that. You may do so. Do not forget to give this video and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.